Alright, so which will you prefer for scraping leads from Google Maps? Is it the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper or Apollo? This video is where I'll be exposing you to how those two softwares get their data and how to make use of them effectively and how much I think you should be paying for those softwares based on my experience with them. So you yourself get to use the most suitable software for yourself when it comes to scraping leads online from Google Maps. Now let's dive in. Now the difference between these two software is crystal clear, and this is it. When it comes to scraping leads from Google Maps, you need an authentic Google Maps scraping tool, which Apollo is not. So Apollo basically is not a Google Maps scraper, alright, and can be used to scrape leads from Google Maps. Now let's take a look at how the software works. So you can see this is my own personal Apollo account, and you can see what the dashboard looks like right here. And all this chart might not make any sense to you because you might be new to the software, alright. And one of the many reasons why Apollo is a good tool to use is the fact that you can use this tool for outreach as well, a built-in software for lead generation and cold outreach. But you see, after my experience with this software, I stopped making use of it for generating my leads online based on some things that I would share with you in a bit. Now take a look at this. Let's say I want to get leads of doctors from this tool. All I need to do is to input that right here, and you can see that this is the result we could possibly get from using this tool. But now here is the problem I discovered from using the Apollo software, and this is it. You can't lay your hands on all the leads provided by Apollo. You can't lay your hands on all the leads that you get to find here on Apollo. And what do I mean? Now take a look at this. They have two paying plans here apart from the free plan. The professional plan here, which costs $79 per user per month. The basic plan costing around $49 per month for one user as well. And you can see the free plan package. Okay, it says free for life, but I told you guys, you're going to be seeing some things here and you might not really be happy about it. Now the free plan here gives you only 120 email export per year. Like, did you hear that correctly? 120 email export per year and only 60 mobile contact per year. So it means that on the free plan you can get to exceed 120 email export, meaning that you can export 120 emails not until another year. So if you've been able to exhaust 120 emails in 1 year, you would have to wait for another year. And I tell you, 120 emails can be done within few minutes. So if I interpreted this correctly, it means that I have access to only export 60 phone contacts per year, and that is actually not too good. The basic plan here gives you access to only export 12,000 emails and only 900 contact of your leads per year, and the professional plan here gives you only 24,000 email export and 1,200 phone contact export per year. So if you want to use some other tool for your outreach and all like that, you might not be able to use that well because Apollo is just going to restrict how many export that you will be getting. So 24,000 export per year is actually too small to me. Let's say I don't want to make use of Apollo in outreach, maybe I want to use some other software. I can't basically do that. Why? Because the export is just too low. And we all know that cold email marketing or cold marketing is a number business, right? The more access to leads you get, all right, the more deals you are likely to close. So with all the millions of data that Apollo has, you can't lay your hands on all of them. You are restricted to how many leads you can be getting from the software. Now with the Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper, it is possible for you to get thousands of leads directly from Google Maps. The Lead Sniper Google Maps Scraper gives you access to scrape thousands of leads from anywhere in the world and anytime you choose to. So you have no restrictions to how many leads you can be extracting or exporting and all like that compared to Apollo, right? The leads you want, you go for it and you get them downloaded, exported to anywhere you want it to be in. So you can see that you can extract things like their business name, email address, social media handles, their website URL, country, phone number, street address, and many other stuff that you could possibly think of, and you can export them without any hesitation or restriction from this tool. So now let's compare its export result with that of Apollo. Now the starter plan here of Lead Sniper is $149 for a lifetime. So a $149 plan means that you won't pay for any monthly fee for a lifetime, and you'll be getting access to unlimited leads, a dedicated support team, and also access to enjoy future updates. Now the Apollo professional plan here, which is costing $79 per month for one user, gives you access to only 24,000 export credit per year, meaning that you can only export 24,000 total data result yearly. And if you exhaust this in a month, honestly, you might need to pay some more money to continue using the software. Now let me open up my calculator and let's review their pricing plan. So let's say I go with using Apollo professional package, which costs $79, and I'm paying for a year. You can see that I'll be paying $949 yearly, right? But that's not bad, okay? Not bad yearly. But then comparing its price to the Lead Sniper Google Map Scraper, the best value plan for Lead Sniper here is costing around $389 for a lifetime. I mean, like for a lifetime, $389. So I can pay twice, all right, of my money from using Apollo for a year. So you get to see how it works. The pricing plan here is actually super cool when you're making use of the Lead Sniper Google Map Scraper in scraping leads online. And not just only one user, but also 10 browsers can use this tool to scrape leads from Google for a lifetime. So, and also I get to enjoy many other great features. Okay, now so let me show you how this tool helps you get the desired result you need. All right, so quickly I'm just going to show you how the software helps you get the desired result you need, because I'm really sure many of you want to know how the software gets its data. So I'm going to open up my Google Map right here, Google Maps itself, and you can see I'll just go with something random. Let's say plumbers from San Diego. Okay, so I need leads of plumbers from San Diego. Now you can see that these are all my leads being displayed by Google, right? You can see everything here is being displayed. So I could possibly do this manually by copying their vital contact information, such as their email address, their phone number, and other interesting details, right? But then how many of this can I possibly get in a day? So I might stress myself out, and that's when the Lead Sniper Google Map Scraper tool comes in. Okay, so helping you to scrape all the leads you want without any stress. So you could be doing something else, but this tool will be helping you scrape the leads you want. So now I'll open up those on my computer and I would input my desired business need right here, and also I'm going to input the location, right? So the location and also the business niche is what I'm going to be having right here, and I'm going to click on start, and that's just it. So the software automatically does the whole scraping process, just like what you're seeing right now on my screen on autopilot. So it's going to just keep on continually helping me scrape all the data that I need, you know, their email address, everything that I could possibly think of. This tool is going to keep on helping me scrape all the result that I want for myself. So I can go over and open up my second browser, and also I can change this here from plumbers to maybe electrician from San Diego, and I can click on start, and you can see that multiple browsers are basically running, and you can see that I am scraping leads online from Google Maps. So you get to see how super easy and super effective this tool can be when it comes to extracting leads from Google. So whenever I'm done, I could possibly just, you know, export my result at any time without any delays or restrictions whatsoever. So it's super easy for you now to start scraping thousands of leads online without any stress. So comparing these two together, to me, I feel using Lead Sniper Google Map Scraper is much more better, much more easier, and much more you know, pocket friendly. Rather, it's pocket friendly because you just paying a one-time fee for a lifetime. I mean, for a lifetime you get to pay no money. To me, honestly, that is why I prefer making use of this tool for myself and also for my clients. So and whenever I'm done, I can export my result anytime and without any delays or restriction whatsoever. So you can see this one here. I'm just going to open up this, and you can see this is what the result looks like. You can see their names, their countries, emails are here, phone numbers, many other things like their website, many things you can think of. The Lead Sniper Google Map Scraper tool is going to help you scrape all of that. So you can see, guys, make sure you go find yourself a good working software, and I recommend using the Lead Sniper Google Map Scraper when it comes to scraping leads from Google. So please, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. And if you'd like to learn more about this tool, yeah, you can see here on my screen, I basically dedicated a playlist where I have all the videos concerning the Lead Sniper Google Map Scraper tool, all right, all being displayed right here. You can watch this playlist here and find out much more information concerning the software. So thank you so much for watching more review videos about the Lead Sniper tools and many other great tools out there. So if you want to see content like this, smash the like button in appreciation, and also subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my other videos. Please take care of yourself, and bye.